Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see Chapter 1 Number System, Exercise 1.5 Simplify. Before going to simplify, we should know the multiplication table. Let me remind you. Plus into plus. We will get plus. Then plus into minus. So we will get minus. So minus into plus, we will get minus. Then minus into minus, so plus. I will recall once again. Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Now we are going to do few simple sums using these four properties. So first one, what is first one here? Plus into plus. Now we are going to use plus and plus. So plus 5 into plus 2 root 3. So plus into plus, plus, then 5 is whole number, here 2 is whole number and root 3 is irrational number. So we cannot multiply these 2 and root 3. So first we should multiply whole number. What is the whole number here? 5 and 2. 5 into 2, 10 root 3. Next one, plus minus. So first I am going to put 2. So before 2, what is the sign here? Plus. So no need to put here plus. So into minus 5 root 2. So now what is the sign here? First we have to look at the sign. So plus into minus, minus. Then 2 into 5, 2 times 5, 10 root 2. Then third one, minus into plus. So first we should put the sign minus. We can write any number. So I am writing 7 and into 5. So what's here? So what is the sign here? So minus into plus, minus whole number, 7 5 is whole number. So 7 into 5, 35. There is no irrational number here. Next one, at last, minus into minus. This will get plus. So minus root 2 into minus root 2. So we'll write the answer minus into minus plus root 2 into root 2. So how many times root 2 are there? 2 times. So we should write the power. So root and square will cancel. We will get plus 2. Or else sometimes it will come like this. Suppose minus root 5 into minus root 7. So here the two numbers are same number. So that is why we wrote here root 2 whole square. That means 2 times root 2 are here. Here, look here. Here first we have to look at the sign, minus into minus, plus. Then root 5 is also irrational number. Then root 7 is also irrational number. So both are different numbers. Look, here is 5, here 7. So different numbers. So we have to write root of 5 into 7. So you'll get root 5 into 7. 5 times 7, 35. To simplify, subdivision 2. So here 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. So first we have to multiply like this. First term here to here and here to here. So 3 into 3, in between multiplication symbol, so 3 into 3, so first 3 into 3. Next one 3 into minus root 3, we should take the same sign also. Here before 3, what is the sign here? Plus. So plus into minus, minus, so 3 into root 3, so 3 root 3. Then next, from this to second term to first term and second term to second term, so root 3, the sign of root 3 is plus and the sign of 3 is plus, so plus into plus, plus 3 root 3. The next one plus into minus, minus root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? Already we have seen here, root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square 2. So like that we can write here root 3 whole square. Then next, so we know that 3 into 3 and so minus 3 root 3 here plus root 3 root 3, both will cancel. Here minus root 3 whole square, so root and square will cancel 3, so we'll get the answer 9 minus 3, 6. Next we are going to see third subdivision, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Square means the term should be 2 times, so we can write the term like this, root 5 plus root 2 again root 5 plus root 2. Now we are going to do from first term to first term and first term to last term. So 5 here, root 5 and root 5, 2 times root 5, so root 5 2 times, so square. Then root 5 and root 2 here. Before that we should know about the symbol. Here plus, here also plus, so plus into plus, plus root 5 into root 2, both are different numbers, both are different numbers, so root 5 into 2, we should write both the numbers inside root. The next one, second term to first term and second term to second term, so sign, so plus, here also plus, so plus in, so plus root 2 into root 5, so root of 2 into 5 plus, plus into plus, plus root 2 into root 2, so root 2 whole square equal 5 plus root 5 times 2, 5 times 2 10 plus root 2 times 5 10 plus 2. So how many whole numbers are there? This one is whole number 5 and 2 is whole number. Root 10 is irrational number and root 10 is also irrational number. So 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus how many irrational numbers are there? 2 irrational numbers. So 2 root 10. Next we are going to look at the different type of sums. So here minus root 2 minus root 5 and again minus root 2 minus root 5. So first term to first term and first term to second term. So look at the sign first here, so minus, minus, so minus into minus plus, so 2 into 2 4. Next one minus into minus plus 2 into root 5 to root 5. Next one second term to first term, then second term to second term, so minus into minus plus, so 2 root 5 2 into root 5, 2 root 5, minus into minus, plus root 5 into root 5. What is root 5? Root 5 2 times, so we'll get 5. So whole numbers 4 and 5 are whole numbers, so 4 plus 5 and plus 2 root 5 and 2 root 5 both are same irrational number, root 5 root 5, so 4 times root 5. Thank you.